Hello CDA1, this is your Module 5 explanation. We're moving on to the next functional area 5 over cognitive skills. And so for this one we have a quiz and a discussion for this week. And so when you're looking at the competency handbook in the infant toddler, you're looking at pages 64 through 66. I am currently in the process of making a video for functional area 5 where we go over details looking at major learning theories, brain research on cognitive development. So you'll get a lot more to go alongside with it, as well as the stuff in the competency book about things to have in your classroom and teaching what the PD specialist is going to be looking for. You're going to have the Chapter 5 quiz over advancing cognitive skills from the Beatty book. Here is the PowerPoint that goes along with it. There are 10 questions at 2 points apiece in 2 attempts. Next, you're going to have a discussion over functional areas in the brain. Now, so far we've only covered 2 of the 4. So we've got the physical, we got the cognitive, we got the creative, we have the communication 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we're going to be looking at all 4 of them. And I want you to think about how you incorporate them into each lesson plan. And so I give the examples of farm animals or weather. Those are 2 really common themes. Like, how do you make a lesson over farm animals that has physical activities and cognitive activities, communication activities, creative activities? And why is it so important? When students go to school, we separate them out into English class and math class and science class. And the whole thing is they all depend on one another. Physical development helps cognitive development. Infants are bound to how far they can move. If they really want to investigate something, when they get to crawling and walking, then the world becomes their whole oyster. So think about that. And so this is going to be more about the teaching, and this is more about the learning environment, about the whole idea that there's teacher-directed time and then there's student-directed time, where opportunities to give them play, and think about how does developmentally appropriate practices play into all of that. So your first post needs to be 200 words by the 21st, next Tuesday, and then your 3 responses by April 23rd. So that is your Module 5, Week 5 explanation. I look forward to seeing you guys on the discussion board.